Hi guys, today in my kitchen I am making chicken kebabs, and the best thing about these kebabs are that you can make it quickly using spice drops. Now you must be wondering, what is spice drops? Spice drops are highly concentrated liquid spices which are extracted from natural spices. So no artificial coloring. And these spice drops are vegan, gluten-free, alcohol-free, no added sugar or salt, no flavoring or preservatives. And these spice drops have intense flavor and aroma, so just few drops goes a long way. And I have been using this Holy Lama spice drops recently, and trust me, these spice drops are my favorite ingredients in my kitchen right now. Now let's get started and see how to make the chicken kebab using the Holy Lama spice drops, and you will sort of get an idea how to incorporate these ingredients in your regular cooking and baking. And there is one more very important announcement that I need to make, that there is a giveaway of this amazing product. So keep watching till the end of the video to learn how to participate in the giveaway. Now let's get started and see how to make chicken kebabs. Now to prepare the chicken kebab recipe, into a bowl I am going to add the thick yogurt, ginger garlic paste, pepper powder, cornstarch, and lime juice. Now I'm going to add 6 to 7 drops of coriander seeds, four to 5 drops of cumin seeds, four drops of red chili, two drops of turmeric, three drops of paprika, and I will add about 4 to 5 drops of garam masala. Now adding some salt, and we'll mix this until all the spices are well incorporated. Look at this mixture, how bright and colorful it is. Now into this I am adding boneless chicken, and we'll mix it well until the masala is well coated to the chicken. Now we'll keep it aside for at least 30 minutes for marination. At 25-minute mark, preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit. After 30 minutes, I will add the oil to the chicken and will mix it well. Now you can simply cook this chicken on the tawa, but I am going to bake it in the oven. And if you're using wooden skewers, soak them in water while the chicken is marinating. I have the iron skewers today, so I'm simply going to skewer the chicken and will place it on a tray like this. Now this is ready to go into the preheated oven. I will first bake this for about 15 minutes. And then I will flip the chicken kebabs. Now we'll bake it until the kebabs are completely done for another 15 to 20 minutes. Now this deliciously looking chicken kebab is ready. You can serve it with your favorite chutney or simply toss them on your favorite salad or make a simple pita sandwich. You have plenty of options to relish these kebabs. And wasn't that chicken kebab recipe quick and simple? Now you can also make recipes much faster and flavorful using these Holy Lama spice drops. And now you have a wonderful opportunity to win this product. All you got to do is just click on the link that is given in the description box and you can enter a chance to win this Holy Lama spice drops. And I will announce the winner in my next video. In the meantime, you can also let me know what kind of recipes you want me to create for you all. And for more such quick recipes, you can subscribe to Megha's cooking channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.